Hey everyone! In today's video, we will walk through the general steps on how to access your recovery phrase in Binance. Please note, Binance refers to a recovery phrase as a seed phrase or backup phrase, and it is typically only shown once during the initial wallet setup. If you did not save it then, you may not be able to retrieve it again through the app for security reasons. However, here are the general steps to check your security settings and verify where this option would typically be located. 1. Open the Binance app and log into your account. 2. Tap on the menu icon off in 3 lines or your profile icon in the top left. 3. Go to your profile or account settings. 4. Select security or wallet security. 5. Look for an option labeled backup phrase, recovery phrase, seed phrase, or passkey. Note, if you already set up your phrase during initial wallet creation, it will not be displayed again here. If you haven't set it up before, you might see an option to create a new passkey or backup phrase. If you cannot locate your recovery phrase and did not save it initially, your best option is to contact Binance support directly through the official app or website for account recovery guidance. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone and avoid entering it on unofficial websites or apps. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more educational guides.